Hey everyone! Welcome to Rich Mind, where we help you achieve your goals and dreams. You know I love that entrepreneurial spirit, the hustle, the grind, it's in your blood, and you just need the right guidance to unleash it. Today, we're diving into a topic that many aspiring entrepreneurs are curious about: how to start a business with no money. Yes, you heard that right, no money. You're not alone if you think you need a ton of cash to get started. That's old school thinking. We're living in the digital age, baby. I'm gonna break it down step by step with actionable advice, real examples, and practical tips that you can implement today. No BS, just pure value. So buckle up, get your notebooks ready, and let's get this bread. Chapter 1: Find your business idea. Every business starts with an idea, right? But how do you find one when you're working with a tight budget? Listen, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. The key here is to look at what you already have. What are you already good at? What skills do you possess? Maybe you have a hobby that you're passionate about. That's gold, my friends. Even the problems you've solved in your own life can often be turned into a business. Think about it. Let's say you're great at graphic design. Maybe you're the go-to person for creating flyers for your friends' events. That's a service. You could offer logo design services, social media graphics, the possibilities are endless. Or maybe you're passionate about fitness. You could become an online fitness coach, create workout plans, or lead online fitness challenges. See where I'm going with this? The goal here is to identify something that requires minimal or no upfront investment. You're leveraging your existing knowledge and passions. Don't underestimate the power of that. For example, I know a guy who was amazing at restoring old furniture. He started by finding hidden gems at flea markets and garage sales, fixing them up in his free time and then selling them for a profit online. He turned his passion into a thriving business, all from his own garage. Another example, a woman I met who was a fantastic baker. She started by selling her incredible cakes and cupcakes to friends and family. Word of mouth spread, and she ended up supplying desserts for local cafes and even catering weddings. These are just a couple of examples, but the possibilities are truly limitless. The key is to tap into your own unique talents and interests. What lights you up? What are you naturally drawn to? That's where you'll find your golden ticket. Don't overthink this process. You don't need a groundbreaking, never-before-seen idea. Just start with what you know and what you love. And remember, you can always refine and adapt your idea as you go. Right now, I want you to take out a piece of paper and write down 3 skills or hobbies you enjoy and 3 problems you've solved recently. Use this list to brainstorm business ideas. Trust me, the answers are already within you. Chapter 2: Leverage free resources. Okay, so you've got your killer business idea. Now what? You might be thinking you need a fancy office, expensive software, a whole team of people. Let me stop you right there. Starting a business doesn't mean you need to break the bank. In fact, you can get started with absolutely nothing but your hustle and the internet. That's right, there are countless free resources available online that can help you get your business off the ground. Need to design stunning marketing materials? Canva is your best friend. It's a free graphic design platform that's super user-friendly, even if you're not a design whiz. Create professional-looking logos, social media posts, flyers, you name it. For all your document needs, Google Docs is a lifesaver. It's like Microsoft Word, but free and accessible from anywhere. Write your business plan, create presentations, collaborate with potential partners, all within Google Docs. And when it comes to promoting your business, you've got social media powerhouses like Instagram and LinkedIn at your fingertips. These platforms are completely free to use and offer incredible reach. Build a strong online presence, connect with potential customers, and showcase your products or services. Want to level up your skills? Platforms like Coursera and YouTube offer a wealth of free courses on everything from marketing and finance to coding and web development. You can literally learn anything you set your mind to for free. The takeaway here is that you don't need to spend a dime to access incredible tools and resources. The internet is your oyster, my friends. So ditch the excuses and start exploring. Right now, I want you to make a list of free tools and resources that align with your business idea. For instance, If you're starting an online store, check out platforms like Shopify's free trial or Etsy for handmade products. Chapter 3. Build your network. Alright entrepreneurs, let's talk about the power of relationships. When you don't have money to throw around, your network is your most valuable asset. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know, right? Well, it's about both, but you get the point. Building a strong network can open doors to incredible opportunities and resources that you wouldn't have access to otherwise. It's about connecting with people who can help you grow your business, offer advice, and even become your first customers. Imagine you're starting a tutoring service. Reach out to teachers, parents, or local community groups who might know potential clients. Attend school events, back-to-school nights, anywhere you can connect with your target audience. Join online forums and Facebook groups related to your industry. Engage in conversations, share your expertise, and build relationships with other professionals in your field. You never know where these connections might lead. Don't underestimate the power of your existing network. Let your friends and family know about your business and ask for their support. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful, and your loved ones can be your biggest advocates. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's not just about what you can get, but also about what you can give. Offer value to others. Connect people who can benefit from each other's expertise, and be genuinely interested in building meaningful relationships. Spend 20 minutes daily connecting with people in your field on LinkedIn or attending free local meetups. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Chapter 4. Start small and test. Now you might be tempted to go all in, launch a massive website, rent out a storefront, hire a team, but hold your horses. You don't need to go from 0 to 60 overnight. In fact, it's much smarter to start small and test your idea before you invest a ton of time and resources. Remember that guy I mentioned earlier who was restoring furniture? He didn't quit his job and open a massive warehouse right away. He started by selling a few pieces online, testing the waters, seeing what resonated with customers. And that baker? She didn't start by baking hundreds of cupcakes a day. She started with small orders for friends and family, gathering feedback, refining her recipes, and building her confidence. That's the key here. Start small, gather feedback, and iterate along the way. You want to validate your idea and make sure there's a demand for your product or service before you go all in. If you're thinking about selling homemade candles, for example, start by offering them to friends and family. Get their honest feedback on the scents, the packaging, the overall experience. Use this feedback to tweak your product and make it even better. You can even run a pilot version of your product or service to a small group of beta testers. This could be a free trial of your online course, a limited edition product run, or a discounted service package for early adopters. Use platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok to gauge interest and get feedback. Run polls, ask questions, and get creative with how you engage your audience. The more feedback you gather, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your business. Chapter 5. Monetize quickly. Alright entrepreneurs, it's time to talk about the money. You've got your idea, you're leveraging free resources, you're building your network, and you're testing your product or service. Now it's time to start generating revenue. The faster you can monetize your business, the more sustainable it becomes. You don't want to be stuck in the red forever, right? You want to start seeing a return on your investment, even if that investment is primarily your time and energy. If you're offering a service like social media management, don't be afraid to ask for a small upfront fee or a deposit. This shows that you're serious about your business and that you value your time. For products, consider pre-orders. This allows you to gauge demand and cover production costs before you create a ton of inventory. It's a win-win. Don't overcomplicate things when it comes to getting paid. Set up a simple payment system using free tools like PayPal, Venmo, or Stripe. These platforms make it easy for customers to pay you securely online. And don't be shy about letting your early customers know how they can support you. Share your journey, be transparent about your goals, and give people a reason to root for you. Remember, monetizing your business is not just about making money, It's about creating a sustainable model for growth. The sooner you start generating revenue, the sooner you can reinvest those profits back into your business and take it to the next level. And that's it. Starting a business with no money might seem challenging, but with the right mindset and tools, it's absolutely possible. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and watch your dreams become a reality. Let's quickly recap the steps. 1. Find your business idea. 2. Leverage free resources. 3. Build your network. 4. Start small and test. And 5. Monetize quickly. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Rich Mind for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.